Hello my lovely friends, I thought I'd come back with another video about a hypothetical move that I could see happening in the driver market. I hope you stay until the end of the video. So let me explain what I mean. We all know that Sergio Perez has come under fire lately, and about his seat not being secure in 2024. Yeah, I think there could be a move, but I reveal that move later on in the video. But one other move I think that could potentially happen is if Nico Hülkenberg goes back to Aston Martin and replaces Lance Stroll, who seems to be struggling a bit. I can really see that happening, because I can see Sergio Perez ending up at Haas, taking the Haas seat alongside Kevin Magnussen, because Sergio Perez brings with him a lot of sponsorship. So I can see Nico going to back to Aston Martin, and Sergio Perez going to Haas. And as far as Nyck de Vries goes, I think Nyck de Vries will end up back as a test driver with Mercedes. Yeah. So Lance Stroll, I think, will remain as a test driver for Aston Martin. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my videos, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you never miss another video. Alright, speak to you later guys. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,